So hi all, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video related to pandas, remember we are starting a series of pandas tutorial. So remember in the previous series, in the previous tutorial, we saw what? We saw introduction to pandas where we saw how to create a series, how to use a data parameter and how to convert a list into a series. And also how to use the various arithmetic operators and calculation and getting output in the form of series, basically addition of two um, series using an arithmetic operator, addition operator. And we can basically use the subtraction operator, multiplication, division operator, and any other arithmetic operator, and basically apply it on two different series. All right, so in this video we'll see how do we name this in these indexes 0 1 2 3 4 or 0 1 2 3 4 of s1. All right, so and we'll see how to basically apply other arithmetic operations on um, series. All right, so s1 minus s2. All right, now it says s1 not defined, so we need to do what? We need to run the above cells once again. Simply select cell and select run all. All right, so as you can see, s1 minus s2, it has done what? It has basically taken two series s1 and s2 and multiplied, subtracted it accordingly, and then we'll see what s1 into s2. All right, similarly s1 divided by s2, s1 floor division s2. All right, if you want to know more about arithmetic operators, check our arithmetic operators video. All right, so this is what it is. Similarly s1 mod s2. All right, s1 exponentiation operator s2, which is s1 to the power s2. All right, so this is what it is. Next we'll see the index parameter of series function. All right, next we'll see what? Next we'll see the index parameter of series function. All right, so which is what? Which is s2. Let's take s1. We already have a list 52741. All right, s1 is equal to what? Pd dot series. All right, data is equal to a comma index is equal to. So index parameter does what? It basically creates, index parameter creates row labels. Index parameter creates row labels. All right, so we need to do what? We need to create a row label. Let's say we want to name the rows 0 1 2 3 4. So how will we name them? Let's take a variable row underscore labels. All right, and let's store this row underscore labels in what? In a list. In a list. All right, so 0th row comma first row, second row, third row, fourth row. All right, row underscore labels equal to 0th row, first row, second row, third row, fourth row. Right, let us enter this and let in the index parameter, let us write this what? Row underscore labels. So as you can see earlier, s1 was what? S1 looked like the 0 1 0 1 2 3 4. Now we have done what? We have named it. So this is how we name the index labels. All right, so this is what we have in series. In the next video, stay tuned, we'll see the creation of what? Creation of data frames. All right, how we create data frame and multiple other things related to pandas. So stay tuned. All right, thanks a lot everyone.